In this video, we're going to show you to install the seat recliner handle on your Hummer H3 located on the side of your driver's seat. We're going to use a T20 Torx bit here on our 1/4" ratchet to go ahead, loosen and remove the screw. Go ahead and remove that screw, save that, we're going to be reusing that. And just pull the handle outward. The inside of the handle is keyed, so it can only go on one way. Go ahead and take your replacement handle, slide that on. I'm going to put the screw on the Torx bit, insert that. I'm going to thread that in as far as I can by hand. And then I'm going to go ahead and gently snug it down. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.